Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust sound and vibration of your keyboard on Android device. So first thing to do, you can scroll down and try to access the additional settings. Then you can tap on keyboard and input method. Here you can tap Microsoft Swift keyboard. So I'm using this Microsoft Swift keyboard instead of Gboard. So you can tap again Microsoft Swift key and tap on sound and vibration. Here, if you enjoy the sound and vibration on Android, you can try to turn on key press on volume. Maybe you enjoy with the loud key press, you can try to increase the sound, or even you can increase it if you feel the one or two is enough. And key press sound profile, you can try to change it, the Android traditional blip, and of course you can use the Android default vibration. When you're typing, there is a vibration effect. Here unfortunately, if you use Android default vibration, you cannot use key press, you cannot adjust key press vibration. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.